Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today, we will show you a collection of reclaim and redesign ideas to transform discarded wood into high-demand decor. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. In a world increasingly defined by mass production and disposable living, the act of reclaiming discarded wood and transforming it into something beautiful, purposeful, and profitable stands as a quiet rebellion, a return to craftsmanship, sustainability, and human connection. Reclaim and redesign. How to transform discarded wood into high-demand decor isn't just about woodworking. It's about storytelling through texture, grain, and imperfection. Every piece of reclaimed timber carries with it a memory of its past life. Perhaps it was once part of a barn, a forgotten table, or a weathered fence. By giving that material new form and function, modern woodworkers create decor that bridges history and innovation, preserving the soul of what was while crafting something meaningful for the present and future. Working with reclaimed wood requires a unique sensitivity to the material. Unlike freshly milled lumber, reclaimed wood already has a story etched into its surface. The scratches, dents, and knots that others might see as flaws become signatures of authenticity, reminders of time, use, and endurance. In the hands of a creative woodworker, these imperfections transform into aesthetic treasures. A reclaimed wood coffee table, for instance, can exude warmth that mass-produced furniture could never replicate. Its worn edges and uneven tone whisper of seasons past and human stories lived. This emotional depth is what makes reclaimed wood decor not just a design choice, but an experience, one that resonates with today's eco-conscious buyers who seek authenticity over artificial perfection. Economically, reclaimed wood projects hold immense potential for profit, because sustainability is no longer a niche interest but a growing global movement. Demand for eco-friendly home decor continues to rise. Homeowners, interior designers, and boutique decorators increasingly favor pieces made from repurposed materials. A simple reclaimed wood shelf, a rustic wall panel, or a handcrafted centerpiece can sell for premium prices when paired with the narrative of sustainability and artistry. The story behind the product becomes part of its value. Buyers are not just purchasing an object, they are investing in a vision of responsible living and creative renewal. This fusion of environmental ethics and financial opportunity has made reclaimed wood decor one of the most promising avenues for both emerging and seasoned woodworkers alike. From a creative standpoint, reclaiming wood encourages a deeper kind of artistry. Each board or beam comes with irregularities that invite problem-solving and imagination. Unlike working with perfect, uniform planks, reclaimed materials challenge the maker to adapt, to see beauty where others might see waste. This adaptability nurtures innovation and confidence in one's craft. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The process becomes less about control and more about collaboration, with the wood, with time, and with nature itself. Each design is inherently unique because no two pieces of reclaimed timber are ever the same. The result is decor that cannot be duplicated, a one-of-a-kind reflection of both the material's history and the maker's vision. Beyond creativity and profit, there is something profoundly human about working with reclaimed wood. It connects the maker to the cycles of use and reuse, to the rhythm of sustainability that defines mindful living. Each project becomes an act of respect for the environment, for craftsmanship, and for the spaces we inhabit. When reclaimed wood is brought into a home, It infuses the environment with warmth and depth. The organic textures soften modern interiors, grounding clean lines and contemporary aesthetics with the character of the past. A reclaimed wood headboard, for example, can transform a minimalist bedroom into a sanctuary of warmth and serenity. Similarly, a reclaimed mantel or dining table becomes a gathering point, a piece that invites conversation and reflection on both design and sustainability. What makes this craft so powerful is that it balances accessibility with sophistication. You don't need a massive workshop or advanced machinery to begin working with reclaimed materials. In fact, simplicity often enhances the authenticity of the work. With a few essential tools and a thoughtful eye, anyone can begin to turn salvaged wood into profitable pieces. Even small items like picture frames, candle holders, or planters can be transformed into sought-after decor when crafted from reclaimed wood. These pieces hold their own charm, appealing to the growing market of consumers who value craftsmanship, minimal waste, and products with a story. This approach to woodworking also invites a more mindful way of creating. Instead of rushing to produce or relying solely on technology, the woodworker learns patience, listening to the material, studying its grains, and shaping it in ways that honor its essence. It becomes a meditative process, a balance between technique and intuition. Every sanding motion, every cut, feels purposeful, contributing not only to the final product, but to the maker's sense of fulfillment. And as each piece finds its way into someone's home, it carries with it that same energy, a quiet reminder that beauty, sustainability, and creativity can coexist in harmony. In today's design world, where trends shift rapidly and mass production dominates, reclaimed wood decor offers something that transcends time: permanence. These pieces don't just fill space, they define it. They add a tactile richness to modern homes, creating contrast and character that sterile materials can't replicate. Moreover, they tell stories that spark emotional connection. A reclaimed dining table, for instance, might once have been a factory floorboard. Now it's where new memories are made. A wall art piece crafted from salvaged wood might carry the grain of decades-old oak, turning age into artistry. For many makers, this journey from waste to wealth isn't only about money, it's about meaning. Each successful project reinforces the idea that sustainable choices can also be profitable, that design can coexist with ethics. The satisfaction of crafting something beautiful from what was once discarded is unlike any other. It gives both creator and buyer a sense of participation in a larger movement, a movement toward conscious living and creative renewal. In that sense, every reclaimed wood project is not just a craft but a contribution to the planet, to the marketplace, and to the enduring legacy of woodworking itself. Ultimately, reclaim and redesign is more than a woodworking concept. It's a philosophy for living and creating in a time when both beauty and responsibility matter deeply. It teaches us that transformation begins not with abundance, but with attention. The wood that others overlook holds the potential to become something extraordinary when guided by thoughtful hands and an inspired mind. Each piece becomes a bridge between sustainability and style, between artistry and enterprise. Whether you're crafting for personal fulfillment, for environmental impact, or for business growth, the journey of reclaiming wood is an affirmation that creativity and conscience can build not just decor, but a better world, one handcrafted piece at a time. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked reclaim and redesign ideas to transform discarded wood into high-demand decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.